Hello and welcome again in a brand new video. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to make a network image in Flutter. So without wasting the time, let's get started. So we are going to see how we add a network image in Flutter. So first of all, we have to add a body. After adding the body, we giving the center as a widget, and after center, we are going to give center as a child, and in child we are providing image, and in image we are giving network image, and after giving the network image, we are going to give URL of the image. So let's start the writing the code. Body, and in body we are giving center. In center we are giving child, and in child we are giving image, and in image we are giving network image. In network image we are giving URL. So we are going to open our code and copy the URL of the image. We are taking the car image, we are giving the URL, and we can, after running it, we can see the car image is shown in the emulator. So we can see that how we add network image in Flutter. I think you all understand it. So that's all about how to add network image in Flutter. Thank you. Have a nice day.